Hello and welcome to an Expertec Services tutorial. This tutorial is going to be on our service, the hosting. As I'm going to go through the hosting, you'll be able to see different things like our account control panel and our C panel, which is the way you manage your website. Now what you need to do is you need to go into your favourite internet browser. My one is going to be Internet Explorer. I already have it open, and you'll notice that my first page is currently the Expertec Social website. Is the Expertec Social control panel. I'm just going to quickly leave that for a few seconds before we go into that. I'm just going to quickly go into the Expertec Services portal, and that way we'll be able to pick up how we get into that and how we get how first of all we order our service. So what you need to do is you need to go to the Expertec Hosting button at the top and click Expertec Hosting. That will take you to our Expertec Hosting website, and you'll notice that you'll be able to order any service that you wish. Now as you can see, I've got many different services as well, master resellers. You can even trial our service before you buy. This is a new thing we're trialing out at the moment, which is 30-day silver hosting account trial, and this comes free for 30 days. After that you can apply for it to be upgraded, or you can let it expire and it will delete itself. Okay, so let's just quickly log into our account, and I'll just quickly go into it. This account is my own personal account, so of course I'm not going to give the login details to that. Okay, I'm now inside the client area. There's a few different things that I'd like to pick up on there. You've got easy downloads if there are any downloads available. You've got any knowledge base, support tickets. You've got everything there. You can check everything to do with your services that you've ordered. Now when you first order any whenever you first order any services, you'll notice that it will go into our orders page. Let me just quickly find it. Will go into my services page. This will come up with any services that you have. As you can see, I've got quite a few services with myself, and I'm just going to quickly go into one of them, and you'll notice that all my details are there. You can even find the password below. I'm not going to scroll down. You can even find your password, your username, and everything else, and exactly how to log into the control panel and the webmail if need be. Instead, that just saves you enough time so you don't have to remember the password all the time. You can just log into one place and it will log you in there. You can even see any domains that you've ordered. If you've had any quotes from us, they will be located under my quotes. These are saved under there all the time. They're available for about a month when they've been quoted to you. After that month it does expire, and you'll have to ask for a re-quote at that time. If for example you need some support with some issues that you're having, you can just click the submit ticket button, and that'll bring up with 3 different departments. There may be more by the time you come on. And for example, if you've got some issues like the server's down, you're having some issues with it, you can just contact us through the emergency contact, or you can give us a call on the phone number that should be at the bottom of the screen. That's 01702 914 471. So I'm just going to quickly go into the emergency contact details, and you'll notice that we can change the urgency of the ticket, and we can include any information that's required. And just so that we know, we can actually have a look and see that yes, we have got one active, so we're going to use that for now. So I'm just going to quickly submit a random support ticket. I'll probably delete this afterwards, and it will submit the ticket, send me an email with the ticket created, so you get all automatically updated. If it hasn't been answered in 150 minutes, we will upgrade the priority to a higher priority, because currently it would be set as normal, but it will be included up to overdue or emergency depending on what type of ticket you've opened. Now if I'm going to go into, you can have a look at all your invoices, every single thing, so you can see any bills that you've been due, anything else, so that way you can pay your bills through the site. If you wish to share the service and get some money back, you can use our affiliated system, and therefore you can get some money out and therefore use the service and earn some money while you're doing some websites. So sometimes there is a upside to putting an advert to us. That way you get a bit of money and we get the revenue as well. So as I'm just going to quickly go in, you can also see every single email that we've ever sent you through there, just in case you manage to lose it through deleting it on your own control panels. You can find it through here. Now let me go into the control panel, and you'll notice there's quite a few buttons. Most of them I'm not able to access at the moment because I'm logged into the root account, so it's just going to take some while to get those in, and I'm rather show you exactly how it works. So what I'll probably do is I'm probably going to go into a bit more detail in a smaller size clip on email accounts and exactly how to add them. It looks as if I've got to re-log in because my IP address has recently changed as my computer was going so slow on the last take of this. Okay, you'll notice you can add any emails you wish, so therefore you can keep an eye on your emails. If you haven't added any email accounts, so go into your default email account, which will be your username for the control panel, and the address that will be for this one, it'll be xsocial at expertec-social.co.uk. You've got to make sure that the MX records are all set up now, which will be emailed to you when you sign up for a product. You can notice you can use the file manager, FTP accounts, so you can give other people access to your area, but don't forget it is your details and you are signed into terms of service. So I would recommend reading the terms of service before signing up. You can also pass protect directories. If we've given you a shell access or SSH, we'll be able to give you more information into how to log in. And you'll also notice there's other things like cron jobs. You can have your own custom error pages, submit other support tickets through this. Support tickets will go into the main page, and then we'll link it to your account once we've helped you out. You've also got subdomains, advanced domains, so basically you've got every single feature that you will ever need for a website, and therefore your website will be running nice and smoothly. Just to let you know, this has been an Expertec services tutorial, and if you wish to visit our website or order any services, it's www.expertec.co.uk. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Thank you. Goodbye.